In today's video, I'm going to teach you trying ClickUp for project management. We'll walk through a clean, practical flow that gets you from a blank workspace to a working list with a task, a custom status, a time estimate, a clear priority, and a quick look at built-in apps and integrations. By the end, you'll have a simple setup you can actually use to manage work, track progress, and stay focused. Start by logging in and landing on your main work page. From here, open your workspace overview so you can see the big picture of what's going on. If you're part of multiple team spaces, pick the one you want to work in. The overview view is a great starting point because it gives you quick access to lists, tasks, statuses, and any key details your team relies on, all in one place. It's the hub you'll return to throughout the day to check updates and keep momentum moving. Next, create a new list. This will act like a container for related tasks, and it's where you'll organize your work. If you see the option that says Track Tasks, Projects, People and More, click it to spin up a standard list designed for everyday task management. This selection keeps things simple and flexible, which is perfect when you're getting started or when you want a general-purpose space for planning. A well-structured list is the backbone of any workflow in ClickUp, so it's worth a moment of thought before you add tasks. Give your list a clear, specific name so everyone knows what belongs inside it. Short and descriptive works best, and you can add a brief description if it helps clarify its purpose. Once you're happy with the name, click Create. If needed, confirm that the list is in the correct space or folder so it shows up where your team expects to find it. Clarity here prevents confusion later, especially when you're juggling multiple initiatives. With your list in place, add your first task. Type the task's name in a straightforward, action-oriented format so it's obvious what needs to be done. Keep the title tight and save the details for the task description. Creating a single, well-named task gives you a concrete item to configure and will serve as a model for the rest of your tasks in this list. Now, let's shape the workflow by creating a new status. Click New Status to add one that reflects how work actually moves through your process. For example, you might introduce a step between To Do and In Progress that captures a review or setup phase. After you've added the status, click Save. Good statuses make it clear where a task stands at a glance, reduce the need for back-and-forth messages, and help you forecast what's coming next. Keep them lightweight and meaningful. Too many can slow you down, but too few can obscure what's really happening. Open the task and enter the essential details. Use the description to capture context, requirements, and any acceptance criteria. Then set a time estimate. Click where the estimate is currently empty, choose 3 hours, and apply it. This estimate is important. It helps you plan capacity, spot bottlenecks, and compare how long work actually takes versus how long you think it will take. Over time, consistent estimating improves forecasting and makes prioritization easier. If your team logs time, pairing estimates with tracked time gives you solid data for future planning and retrospectives. Next, set the task's priority. Click the priority field and choose Urgent. If this truly needs immediate attention, priorities should communicate relative importance without causing constant fire drills. Reserve Urgent for time-sensitive, high-impact work. Then use High, Normal, or Low for everything else. Clear priority signals help teammates decide what to tackle first, especially when schedules are tight. Once you've set the details, close the task window. You've just brought a task from idea to an actionable, trackable item with a defined status, an estimate, and a priority. Core elements of effective project management in ClickUp. From your list, open the More menu and head into Apps. Built-in apps and integrations extend what your list and tasks can do without forcing you to jump between tools. Use the search bar to find the app you're looking for. Whether you want to embed design previews, pull in docs, or connect communications, this is where you'll discover ways to keep context where the work actually lives. Centralizing these connections minimizes context switching and reduces the need for extra tabs or manual copy-paste. It's a small setup step that pays off with faster updates and fewer missed details. That's really all it takes to try ClickUp for your project management needs. Get into your workspace. Overview. Create a list using the standard tracking option. Add a clear task. Set up a status that matches your flow. Add a time estimate to plan realistically. Assign a fitting priority to guide action. And explore apps to bring your supporting tools right into your workflow. This lightweight framework gives you structure without getting in the way. And it's easy to expand later with more tasks, additional statuses, automations, or custom fields as your process matures. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Until next time.